Good morning, students. Yesterday, History, Unit 5, Social and Religious Reform Movements. Under this heading, yesterday I took Brahma Samaj, Maharishi Devendranath Tagore and Kesab Chandra Sen. Yesterday I took. Today, the continuation of the reform movement. Another reformer, Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar, was one of the famous reformer in Bengali. He emphasized on Hindu scripture was progressive. Hindu scripture was progressive. Scripture, importance given to the scripture, Hindu scripture. For that, he started an education for all the people, particularly depressed classes and other women also. All the girls want to learn education. So, Hindu scripture was progressive during that time. He prohibited sati. Sati was prohibited. Yesterday, I explained to you sati. What do you know about sati? You know, if the husband died, wife put it to the funeral pyre. That is known as sati. He opposed the sati. He condemned the sati, and widow remarriage was encouraged during that time by Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar. He was one of the famous reformer and he encouraged widow remarriage. And he wrote a number of books in Bengali. And famous books. In that books were learned by the Indian peoples, particularly Hindu peoples were learned more and more. It was given, Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar given importance to the women education. Women education were given more and more importance. He started a number of schools during that time. Number of schools were started and imparted more and more education for the people, particularly the women education were given. Rights were provided to all the women and children. And the schools were imparted more and more education. He encouraged child widows. Child widows, he was dedicated his life throughout the life to the child widows. He wanted to uplift the child widows during that time. And widow, he was Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar passed the Widow Remarriage Act in 1856. According to that, the more and more widows married to another persons. Noted. Next, Prarthana Samaj. Prarthana Samaj was founded in Bombay in 1867. The founder of the Prarthana Samaj was Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. He was the founder of the Prarthana Samaj, Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. In the Prarthana Samaj, in this Samaj, there are two distinguished persons is there during that time. And these two distinguished persons were known as R.C. Bandarkar and Justice Mahadev Govinda Ranade. R.C. Bandarkar and Justice Mahadev Govinda Ranade were the two distinguished persons in the Prarthana Samaj. Distinguished means famous persons. Distinguished means famous persons in the Prarthana Samaj. He encouraged intercaste dining. Intercaste dining means all the castes joined together and had a meal. That is known as intercaste dining. All the people joined together, without any discrimination. All are joined together and having meal known as intercaste dining. And intercaste marriages were encouraged in this Samaj, Prarthana Samaj. Intercaste marriage. And widow remarriages were encouraged during that time. widow remarriages were encouraged by Dr. Atmara Pandurai and two distinguished persons, R.C. Bandarkar and Justice Mahadev Govinda Ranade. Note it, widow remarriage were encouraged, advocated, and during that time in the Pratana Samaj, upliftment of women were encouraged. They encouraged women. The upliftment of women were given, emphasis were given to them, to women during that time. The women were given more and more education during that time, and depressed classes also. Depressed classes also during that time. Depressed classes want to uplift the depressed classes. Next, M.G. Renade. M.G. Renade was the founder of Widow Remarriage Association in 1867. In 1867, he started the Widow Remarriage Association, M.G. Renade. According to that, the widow remarriages were encouraged, and women, after the husband died, women given new life were given to the woman during that time. Note it. And the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870. He was the founder of M.G. Renade. Pune Sarvajanik Sabha was the founder of M.G. Renade in 1870 were started. Founder, noted. According to that, the rights were provided to all the people. Rights were provided. If the rights were prohibited to any person, he was punished during that. That is started by M.G. Renade, the Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Rights were given to all the people, particularly depressed people and women were given more and more rights during that time. Next, the Deccan Education Society. He was the founder of, this was the founder of M.G. Renade. The Deccan Education Society in 1884 started. The Deccan Education Society given more and more education to the Hindu people, particularly all the caste people given more and more education during that time. Noted. And his book, M.G. Renade's book, Gulamgiri. Gulamgiri means slavery. He wrote a number of books, particularly the Gulamgiri is the famous, Gulamgiri was the famous book. In that book regarding slavery, he emphasized on slavery. And in this book, he condemned the inequalities. All, without any discrimination, all treated equally. So, he condemned the inequalities of caste. Different caste is there. In that caste, in India, Brahmins, Satriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras is there. Brahmins were top in a position and Sudras were lower in a position. The inequalities, the discrimination were avoided during that time by M.G. Renade noted. Hindu revivalism. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, first one, listen here. He was the famous reformer, Swami Dayananda Saraswati in the Punjab. Famous reformer. The reform movement was, he was the founder of Arya Samaj. Founder of Arya Samaj. Reform movement was Arya Samaj. Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati in 1875. The Arya Samaj was started in 1875. He wrote, Swami Dayananda Saraswati wrote many books. In his book, Satyartha Prakash was the famous. Satyartha Prakash was famous. In this book, he emphasized on child marriage. He strictly prohibited the child marriage. And advocate widow remarriage. Widow remarriage was advocated by Swami Dayananda Saraswati noted. And principles of Dr. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. What are the principles of Swami Dayananda Saraswati? He emphasized on strict monotheism. Monotheism means worship of only one God. Worship of one God. That is known as monotheism. He opposed the idol worship. Idol worship was opposed by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. And During that time, he emphasized on Brahmin domination. Importance was given to the Brahmin domination during that time because of Brahmins were top in a position, the Sudras were lower in a position. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras. The Brahmins were top in a position. The Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and Sudras were lower in a position. The Brahmins were dominated these persons. These people, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras, want to serve these Brahmin peoples. So, Brahmins were strictly prohibited to dominate to other caste, noted by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Next, superstitious beliefs. He condemned the superstitious beliefs. Swami Dayananda Saraswati condemned the superstitious beliefs. During that time, the superstitious beliefs were practiced in India. So, the Dayananda Saraswati strictly prohibited the superstitious beliefs during that time. Noted. Next, Puranic literature. He opposed the Puranic literature. During that time, Puranic literature were followed. But Swami Dayananda Saraswati strictly prohibited the Puranic literature. Noted. And his cry was, Dayananda Saraswati's cry was, go back to Vedas. Go back to Vedas. Vedas. Noted. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sama Veda and Atharvana Veda. Go back to Vedas. He emphasized on during that time. Next, religious conversion. During that period, Swami Dayananda Saraswati strictly prohibited the religious conversion. Why now? Because of when the Britishers came to India, after that, Christianity was spread all over India. So, Hindu people want to convert Christianity. So, Dayananda Saraswati, Swami Dayananda Saraswati strictly prohibited the religious conversion. All the people convert to Christianity, no, that was strictly prohibited by Dayananda Saraswati. Noted. Swami Dayananda Saraswati's achievement was social reform movement. Social reform movement. Society want to uplift. Social reform movement was started. Particularly, the social evils were prohibited, like sati and female infanticide and child marriage and all prohibited by him. Noted. And spread of education. Swami Dayananda Saraswati is a whole life dedicated to the people, and spread of education is the main aim of Swami Dayananda Saraswati. The Samaj, what is that? Arya Samaj was started by Dayananda Anglo-Vedic Oriental College were started. Schools and colleges were started by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Noted. The Samaj, Arya Samaj, started Anglo-Vedic Oriental College. Noted. Schools and colleges were started by Arya Samaj. Noted. Arya Samaj were started. Noted. Next one, Ramakrishna Mission. Ramakrishna was one of the priests, famous priest. He was one of the reformer also, and in Dakshineshwar near Kolkata, in Dakshineshwar, Ramakrishna was born, and he emphasized on singing bhajans. He was one of the famous reformer, and he emphasized on singing bhajans. Through the singing bhajans, we can attain the God. He said that. And ardent worshipper of goddess Kali. Ardent means Tiviramanan சொல்லலாம் தமிழ்ல தீவிரமான ardent worshipper of goddess Kali, and he said Jiva is Shiva. Jiva is Shiva. All living things are God. Service to poor must be regarded as God. All living things are God. God is omnipresent everywhere, and service to poor is must be regarded as God. The people want to serve the service to the poor is encouraged by him. Ramakrishna, encouraged by him, those who are serve the poor must be regarded as God. Noted. Students, once again, I am going to recall now. Ishvara Chandra Vidyasagar, he was a famous person in Bengali. He started Hindu scripture was progressive, encouraged. Hindu scripture was progressive. He gave more and more education to the people, and sati was prohibited during that time. And widows' remarriage was encouraged by him. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. In his famous book in Bengali, he wrote a number of books in Bengali. Women education were given importance during that time. Number of schools were started by him. And child widows, child widows, he strictly prohibited the child widows. He dedicated his whole life to the child widows. And Widow Remarriage Act was passed during the time of 1856, and widow remarriages were encouraged during that time. Noted. Prarthana Samaj, he was the founder in Bombay in 1867. Prarthana Samaj was founded. Prarthana Samaj was founder of the Prarthana Samaj was Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. In this Samaj, there are two distinguished persons. Is that one is R.C. Bandarkar, another person is Justice Mahadev Govindaranade. They encourage intercaste marriages and widow remarriages and women, upliftment of women and depressed classes. These are Prarthana Samaj was encouraged this one. Noted. Intercaste dining, intercaste marriages, widow remarriages and women, upliftment of women and depressed classes. These are all encouraged during that time. Upliftment of depressed classes. M.G. Renade. M.G. Renade was the founder of Widow Remarriage Association in 1865 and Pune Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870 and Deccan Education Society in 1884. He was the founder. M.G. Renade was founder of this one. And his book Gulamgiri means slavery, condemned the inequality of the caste. Noted. Next, Hindu revivalism. Hindu revivalism was started by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. First reformer. He was in the Punjab. He was belonged to Punjab, and his reform movement was Arya Samaj. He was started Arya Samaj. Swami Dayananda Saraswati, founder of Arya Samaj. It was founded in 1875. His book was Swami Dayananda Saraswati wrote a number of books. One of the book was Satyartha Prakash. In this book, he encouraged the child marriage and he was prohibited the child marriage and advocate widow remarriages. Noted. Next, principles of Dr. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. See, his principles were known as strict monotheism. Only one God, worship of only one God, and ideal worship were prohibited. Yes, he opposed the idol worship and opposed the Brahmin domination also. Brahmins were top in a position, Sudras were lower in a position. They treated and dominated to other caste people. That is strictly prohibited by him, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, and he strictly prohibited the superstitious beliefs and Puranic literature. Puranic literature, superstitious beliefs were strictly prohibited by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. His cry was, go back to Vedas. Vedas want to learn by more and more peoples, he encouraged. And religious conversion. During the time, British people converted Hindus to the Christianity. This was strictly opposed by Dr. Swami Dayananda Saraswati. Noted, his achievement was social reform movement in our country and spread of education. Samaj, in Swami Dayananda Saraswati was importance were given to the education. He was started a number of schools and colleges. One of the school was Dr. Dayananda Anglo-Vedic Oriental College, and schools were started by him. Noted. Ramakrishna was one of the priest, Mother Guru, and in Dakshineshwar near Calcutta, he emphasized on singing bhajans. Through the bhajans we can attain the God, spiritual knowledge we can get, and ardent worshipper. Yes, ardent worshipper also, worshipper of goddess Kali goddess he worshipped. And he said, Jiva is Shiva. He said, Jiva is Shiva. You all must worship Shiva, God. And all living things are God. All living things are God. He emphasized on all living things are God. And he emphasized on service to poor must be regarded as God. Service to poor. The people want to serve the poor people, and the poor people going to attain the God. Okay then, see you tomorrow, students.